Hi, welcome to Sage Business Cloud Accounting Software video tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about banking master files. Sage Business Cloud Accounting allows you to create multiple bank accounts, including credit card accounts. You use bank account and credit card accounts to receive payments from customers, pay suppliers, make other payments incidental to your business, for example, enter bank charges, receive cash from source other than customers. Bank and credit card categories. You are able to create categories to group your bank and credit card accounts should you want to, although this is not mandatory. You are able to start or stop using categories at any time. To create bank and credit card categories, select Banking, List, select Bank and Credit Card categories. To create a new category, you will click on the Add Category button and then enter the name of the new category. After enter the new bank and credit card category, click Save. Bank and credit card accounts. To create the bank and credit cards, select Banking, List, List of bank and credit cards. Click Add a bank or credit card. Or go to Banking, select Add a bank or credit card. You can create bank accounts for such as savings, current or fixed deposits, petty cash accounts, cash in hand accounts or PD check accounts. Enter bank account name. Select category. Select default payment method. There are 4 payment methods: cash, check, credit card, EFT, electronic fund transfer. If you select a default method, when you process bank transaction, that payment method will display as default payment method. If you want to change, you can change the payment method when you process the transaction. Example, go to Suppliers, Transactions, Supplier Payments. Click Add Supplier Payment. Here you can see default payment method as checks. If you want, you can change when you are processing the transaction. Enter bank name. Without bank name, you cannot save the bank account. If you create a petty cash account, you can enter the bank name as petty cash. Enter bank account number. Enter branch name. Enter branch code. Active. If you tick active option, bank account is active. If you want to inactivate the bank account, untick the active tick box. Default. If you tick default option, when you process any bank transaction, default bank account will display as bank account. You can change the bank account when you are processing the transaction. Example, in this company, we have default Sampath Bank Rupee account. When you are processing transactions, go to Customers, Transactions, Customer Receipts, click Add Receipt. Sampath Rupee accounts will display as default bank account. If you want, you can change when you are processing the currency. If you have activated multi-currency module, you can select currency. If you have foreign currency bank accounts, you can select the relevant currency. Opening balance. You can enter bank account opening balance. If you are implementing the system for an old company, you may enter opening balance and select opening balance as a date. For demonstration purposes, I will open bank account with transaction. Bank account screen has two tabs. The Activity tab and the Notes tab. The Activity tab displays balances for opening balance, total receipts, total payments, receipts and payments to accounts, transfers in and out, and VAT transactions. The balance of the account is also displayed. By clicking Detail link, you can view detailed transactions. In the Notes tab, you can make notes on the bank or credit card account. Notes can be created with an action date or without. You can also add attachments by clicking the File button. Individual files may not exceed 2 MB in size. A maximum of 5 attachments per note or transaction can be added. Quick entry rules. Sage Business Cloud Accounting can automatically remember which account, customer or supplier to use based on the description you enter while processing your bank and credit card transactions. If you enter description that accounting recognizes, the system will automatically complete the type of transaction and account, customer or supplier selection for you. To access this function, select Banking, List, Quick Entry Rules. Enter the description you wish to map. Select the type of account you wish to map the description to. Select either the account, customer, supplier or VAT account from the set of type of column. Select the selection. Select the tax type. Click on the Save button to save all the details that accounting need to map. Example. Here we have set quick entry rules as PWH. We will go to banking and we will enter this payee name. We have entered payee name. System will fill description, type and selection. We will enter another transaction. We will enter BC. Then system will fill description and type selection. Bank statement mapping rule. Sage Business Cloud Accounting allows you to map description to certain recurring transactions displayed on your bank or credit card statement. Map descriptions. This feature allows you to link the bank statement description to a bank or credit card transaction that occurs frequently, so that when your bank or credit card statements are imported, the transaction will automatically be posted to the correct accounts. The bank statement description will be mapped to the type, description and VAT type of the transaction. You can create map description via the banking grid by clicking the map link on the transaction line. Or you can go to banking, list, bank statement mapping rule. From here you can set a bank statement mapping rule. We will import bank statement. Go to banking, transaction, select banking. After you select banking transactions, you can view this screen. From here you can select Import Bank Statement button. You can select CSV file format, and from here by clicking how do I set up a CSV file, you can download an example. In this screen you can set date, description and amount. The description is bank statement mapping rule. In our bank statement mapping rule, we will search bank statement for B0101. System will fill other details: customer, type, selection, tax, pay name and accounting display description. We will import bank statement. Select import file type as CSV, click browse and select your bank statement. Click Import File. Now one row has successfully imported. Now here you can see this transaction has imported. We have entered only date, description and amount, but system has searched for this bank statement description and filled other details. Like that, you can set bank statement mapping rules.